Before I get started, big news. Hansshow is giving an early Black Friday that ends in 3 days, 17 hours, 32 minutes, and 38 seconds as of right now. Be sure to use my discount C3S Garage on Hansshow.com for savings up to 40% on your next purchase. Now let's get back to the video. Hello boys and girls, thank you so much for staying tuned on part 2 of my video on Hanssshow's winter kit. That includes the mud flaps that we're gonna be installing today, as well as the rubberized pedals that we installed on our previous video. Link below if you guys are interested in watching. Before installing the mud flaps, I just want to quickly assess the amount of dirt and the amount of debris that gets collected in these side panels, and for those reasons the mud flaps are a great solution. Overall, this installation should not take you more than 30 minutes. We're going to start in the front wheels by taking off 3 simple rivets that attach to the main panel of the car. Lucky for us, Hansshow has included the rivet removal tool, which should make this job even easier for us. Removing the rivets should not take you a long time. This should not be hard to remove. They are very fragile, so just be careful when removing them, as they are in 2 pieces. You do not want to break either or. I also want to point out that each rivet has a little gap for you to put your tool inside of it and pull towards the outside to remove the rivet. Next, using an old microfiber towel, we're gonna go ahead and clean up the area to just make sure that the area stays clean and there's no debris in between the rivets and the mud flap. And just a simple note, this is how the mud flap in the front should look like. You have 3 different holes and you have a couple of indentations to install it properly. I want to point out that I was having issues installing the second and the third rivet. So what I did is I simply went ahead and took them apart and installed the gap first, and then installed the screw or the main part of the rivet after. This made the job a lot easier on my fingers and a lot easier on the panel itself. And I just wanted to take a quick moment to show you guys how the mud flap stands out from the panel. So you have a couple of centimeters out and below to make sure that the debris gets cut up onto the mud flap and not the car's panel. This should help you guys not only with dirt and rock chips or what else, but also the looks. And just doing a quick side-by-side comparison between the part that does not have the mud flap and the part that does. And as you can tell, there's not a lot of big difference. So if you're just walking to it, you won't be able to see it, but it's there and it's helping your car keep clean. Moving towards the back tires, you have a lot less space than you would up front, but you only have 2 rivets to remove, so this should be a lot easier. And we're simply going to redo the same exact thing that we did up front, just with a little less space. And just like we did on the front, we're gonna go ahead and give it a quick cleanup because we wanna work in a clean area to avoid debris getting stuck between the fender and the mud flap. It is worth pointing out that in this particular case, the rear mud flaps have a little clip that attaches to the main fender of the car. You must do this in order to install it properly, otherwise you will have gaps. And as mentioned before, we're going to repeat the same steps that we did before for 4 different tires. I will be honest, this job is quite tedious, but it is worth doing it as it will protect your car in the long run, especially if you live in dirty roads or very bad roads such as Houston. You want to make sure that your car is well taken care of. Before leaving you with this video, I do want to point out that this is one of those upgrades that are very ungrateful because they don't add any type of coolness to the car, but it will help you in the long run. And with that being said, thank you so much guys for staying tuned and watching part 1 and part 2 of this video. Thank you so much Hansshow for sponsoring. Sure to check out Hansshow.com as they are doing a 40% discount on most of their items. Feel free to use my discount code C3S Garage for up to 40% on anything that you want before Thanksgiving. Once again, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.